Have you ever fallen into sin and thought God was done with you? You've been in that sin for a while and you let it marinate on you. You got conditioned in that sin, staying in it long enough, and you thought that God was just done with you. God was like saying, it's over. You thought that God didn't want to do it no more. God didn't care about you no more. God didn't care about your health, your wife, your life, your anything. He didn't care about none about you. But it says right here in Isaiah 54, starting verse 8, it says, in a little wrath I hid my face from thee for a moment, but with everlasting kindness will I have mercy on thee, saith the Lord thy Redeemer. So he may have hid his face in a little bit of wrath, but he didn't want you to just stray completely away from him, to get away from him. He wants you to come back to him. You're his child. He needs you to come back to him. God needs you to be a part of his kingdom because you can do stuff that can't nobody else do in God's kingdom. God needs you to care about him again. He cares about you right now. Please come back to the Savior. The Savior loves you dearly. He misses you. Please come back to the Savior. I love you.